So here we have here, folks. So what we're doing here is we're demonstrating the third degree rigid extended clip. See, what we have here is we have a failure to communicate. Whole little clip. And what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate exactly what happens when you have a brand new. Let's see here. I remove the the orange safety. The marker. I remove that. I was born in Flint. We lay black tips where I'm from. This is also on rapid fire. So what's gonna happen is this is 4 volt. And in the future, I will describe what the difference is between a 4, 6, 9, 8, 12, whatever they have in the future. This is rigid, brushless. This is a 30 degree frame and nailer. What we're gonna do here, let me see. So what we got here is these are round head. Paper. No plastic. So I got a 30 degree. No plastic. Round head. 3 inch. 3 inch. Galvanized hot dip. Go big or go home. I got a little pack for now. Just see how it do. We'll see. So we got the extendo clip. Again, speed 2, rapid fire, extendo clip. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press the trigger down, just in case you never had. You're gonna press the trigger down. Rapid fire, 2 speeds, 30 degree, rigid. Again, 2 speeds. 2 speeds. So what the trigger's for? Little trigger right here. Little green light. 4 amp hour. Not max output. Not even a little bit at max output. This is regular output. Dialed in. Depth control. Depth. Perfect. Zeroed in. With a 4. No max. Chilling. Stove. We sold the stove to buy the frame and nailer to make money. And now we're reviewing it. Without the MAR controller. Little piece of plastic. Sitting there. Fully loaded. Extendo. Bump. Pull the trigger. Here we go. Yeah. Adjusting. Pull up a little. Nice. Set. Perfect. Nice. Bump. Check it out. Flash red. I've been playing with this all night. Let's see what the battery says. 3 bars down. We look. Nah, I was tired. I built a deck earlier today. It could be because my arm's tired. We'll see. Again, we're high. However, I wasn't really pressing all the way down. My hand's tired. Let's see. Rapid fire. Couple set. It's doing good though. Finger pressed. No guard on. Do it on the way. Like a pacifier. For the baby. Finger pressed. Rapid fire. 3-inch galvanized. Hot dip now. These the big boys. Believe me, it's having a hard time firing because these the big boys. It's okay. My wrist hurts. Rapid fire. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ha ha. See? Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe. Maybe we touch the limits of it. Splash red. I don't know. We're 3 bars. Flashing green. I don't know. Rolling good. Wow. Perfect. Okay. Well, check that out. So, we sunk a lot of nails tonight. Whole bunches of them. Sinking nails all night. Whew. Got a little bit of something in my foot. A little chunk of wood right there. Got a little heavy. Could have been a nail, but it wasn't. Sunk a lot of nails tonight. Sure did. Rigid 30-degree framing nailer. It's okay with me.